Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the save coupon insert that's coming on Sunday, November the 14th. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you. I do get the save inserts in my mailbox, usually the Tuesday before they actually come out in everyone's newspaper. That's just how my region gets them. They don't even come in the newspapers anymore. So that's how I'm able to get them early. So here we have the 3 off of 1 Dove. This is a really great coupon. I think Ibotta still has $2. Fetch has that spend 15, save $5. My local grocery store, Giant, is running a spend 15, save 5. So this would be great. I'm not going to be going back to Giant though between now and Friday, but if you get these early, definitely take advantage of that deal. The Hellmann's is a 50-cent off coupon. I know I had a digital account get the same thing there. Purex is $1 on the crystals or $2.50 on 2 of them. Purex coupons are always a limit of 1. Here we have the Persil, $2 off, and then $3 on the larger bottles. I am shocked to see L'Oreal coupons in my insert. You guys, I haven't had L'Oreal in quite a while, so this might be exciting. I don't use hair color, but here we got the 5 off of 2 or the 2 off of 1. $3 on the Magic Root. $3 on the gloss product. And here is the 3 off of 2. You guys, I have not seen this coupon in forever, so I'm super excited. Hopefully they keep giving them to us in my area. And here we have Age Perfect Cosmetic, $2 off. $2 on the skincare and $3 on the Age Perfect skincare. You guys, Garnier coupons and hair care, I cannot even believe it. Shocking. So here we have the 4 off of the Garnier Green Lab serum. Here's the 4 on the color products and the 3 off of 2 on the shampoo, conditioner, or treatments. I am so excited for this, guys. This will definitely help me out at CVS. Sometimes I can't do those deals because I don't have the coupons. $2 on Maybelline and $1 on Quilted Northern. Motrin is $1 off of 1, Motrin or Bengay. $2.50 on the Pepcid and Imodium or Lactate. Goya, $1 on 2 or 50 cents off of 2 of the cookies. Here's your vitamins. Nature's Bounty, there's a lot. 2 off of 1, 3 off of the Jelly Bean supplement, 2 off of the sleep supplement, $1 on vitamin or supplement, $3 on vitamin or supplement clean. So just watch your little things there. I think you probably have to stick with what's on there. And $3 on the Ester C. All right, so this is just Family Dollar. I'm just going to pan out here. I do not shop there. Here's $1 on 3 Libby's vegetables. So just keep an eye on your local grocery stores. That's not one of the more popular brands that goes on sale. It's usually Del Monte and Green Giant that goes on sale in my area, but maybe your area will have Libby's sales, so hold on to that coupon. 50 cents on 1 Ragu, that's a good coupon. $1 on 2 Super Pretzels, and never heard of this ear care product, but it's $1 off there. My insert has where you can go print these coupons. Maybe yours will have, we actually have them. And we are already on the back. Here we have the 4 off of 2 Splenda items and the $1.50 on Splenda creamers. I believe we still have a rebate on Ibotta for that as well. All right, guys, so some really great coupons coming on Sunday. Thanks for watching this preview, and I will see you in the next video.